And I'm telling you, man, one of the thing that helping me a lot in trading is what we call clean traffic. Now let me tell you what it is. Now the clean traffic zone is something like this. You can see the price breaking below the support level. And when it's breaking below the support level, it's gonna look to the left hand side and see that, oh, okay, when price going up, we're going up with ease. So what does it mean? It means that when we're trying to going down, we will have a nice clean move to going down like this as well. And this is on gold, which is about like 6 days ago that this move happened. Now you may ask me, well, is this always happening? Well, of course, if you take a look going back further in the path, you can see that we have a lot of clean traffic, right? You can see price going up with ease, price going down with ease. If you take a look here, when price going down easy, it's gonna go up easy as well. How about we going back a little bit more here? And this is one of my pattern that I love the most, is that what I call 10 changing, including clean traffic level. The principle of this pattern is that you can see the price. Let me hide all of this so we can get a clean focus on what I'm trying to teaching you here, right? Like this. Okay. Now, what happened is, well, obviously, sometimes you see, you know what? Actually, let me do like this. All right. We're gonna go a little bit deeper into the explanation. You understand that when price going up, it's gonna create what we call a bullish trend, right? And this is a Dow theory that happened almost 150 years now. It's gonna keep happening, right? Price making a high, coming down, we're making a support level here, or what we call a low. Now, when price making a low, it's mean like price taking a race here, and then once price taking a full race, it's gonna going up again to creating a new high. Now what does happen? When price making a high, same thing happen. It's gonna will always happen, right? Price cannot going up furthermore. It's gonna coming back down, creating a support again. And then price gonna keep doing this, doing this, doing this until it's until it's changing the trend. Now you may ask me, how the hell that price changing the trend? Well, obviously, you going back here and you see that it's always like this, guys. When price going up, when it's want to keep continuing up, when it's going down, it shouldn't be breaking below this level. So price can going up. Now you see here, we have a support level here, right? Now, if price breaking below this support level here, only this support level, it means that price had attention to going down instead. Now, in this case, it's interesting because price not breaking just one, but two support level. So basically, price will keep going down. Now, you may ask me, well, how can we tell that price will go to which level? Is it this candle here, this candle here? Well, obviously, if you take a look here on the left-hand side, let me clean all of this. You can see that we have what we call the last zone, which is two level. The first one is right here, the resistance level, that price breaking above to making this whole moving up, right? And we also have another support level here, that price tapping before shooting up. Now, we have to keep two of this zone in mind because sometimes price closing below support level, you're taking a sell, price gonna keep going down until it reach certain level of the resistance level here. But sometimes it's gonna keep going down to this support level, but we don't know whether it's gonna stop here or stop here. Now what we can do? Well, if price closing below support level, you know that price will going down, right? Obviously, you can taking a sell here, having a stop loss above this current candle because you know that in order for next candle to going down, this candle, the wick of this candle shouldn't be breaking this top wick candle. It's gonna keep doing the same process here. Now, let's see that what is the market showing us. Now you see it, before that price melt down more, go down deeper, we stop at this level. But when price closing below this again, well, It's gonna look to the left hand side. It's gonna ask itself that when we close below this resistance level that we used to break above, where would we want to go next? We want to go down to this level. So what it did, it's going down to this level before it reject that. That's it. Hope you understand this role. If you do, please like and subscribe. Thank you.